Okay, here. Good. Wish I would have rinsed the cage off.
No.
Hello. Hello.
You didn't talk, Dad. Pakain tayo ng nuts sa ating parrot. Look guys, it's back. Woo-hoo-hoo! Kuruk, 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 kuruk. So yun siya guys, oh, bumalik siya. Asa na ba yun? Yan. Come here. Chut, 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 chut. Chut, 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 chut. Look, she see me.
I know, be slow.
Chut, 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 chut. I put my arms like that. Chut, chut, chut.
I'll just put it on the edge and walk away.
Chut, 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 chut.
Veronica,
Yes, Dad.
put it on the edge and walk away so she'll come to it.
Wait, let me see it properly. She like the pine tree. Chut, 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 chut. Where are you? Look, he's there. Chut, 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 chut. Look. Come here, get down. I'm here. Chut, 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 chut. Look, Daddy. It's coming down. Yeah? Do you like nuts? Oh, oh. Say pangit, pangit, pangit. Can you say hello? 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 Oh, she's eating this, Daddy. She's not playing. Hey guys, ayan, bumalik na naman yung parrot. Ayan, kanina wala siya. Ngayon bumalik na naman siya. So, ayun siya guys, oh. Ayan. Chut, 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 chut. Come here, go down. It's eating it. Ooh, ooh, mm.
Alright, Mom, go down. See if the bird.
Yeah, Daddy's with, she's with me. Daddy's with me. Oh my God. She's with me, guys.
Don't put your hand out.
Hey guys, yung parrot bumabasa. Oh my God. He wanna eat me. He's biting me. Aray, aray. No bites. Let's go. Kanino kaya to? Aray! He's biting me. Ay!
Don't put it near your head.
It's biting my hands.
Don't put it near your face. Keep your arm out.
Aray!
Veronica, I can't see you. Move out of the way.
He bite my hands.
Oh, is this playing?
Aray! Aray!
Okay, put it down if you want to.
Oh
Okay,
my
put
gosh.
your phone down. And
Yeah, look, Daddy.
I can't see, Mom.
I bring it down. He's with me, guys. I'm scared. OMG. Is he going down with me, guys?
Okay, here. Good. Wish I would have rinsed the cage off.
No.
Hello. Hello.
He didn't talk, Dad.
No, it hadn't been trained. Hello.
It's young.
Yeah, it looks young.
It's a girl or boy?
I have no idea. What do you think it wears? A ribbon?